Hello everyone, Bacha Party. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. So today we will do writing work. So everyone, please take your notebook, pencil, eraser and scale also. Okay? Yes. First we will do prayer. So everyone, please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't do like this. No cheating. Okay. Then now start. Om Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Slowly open your eyes. Yes, today we will do writing work. Okay, we will write some exercise. Okay, so you ready? So open your notebook, take out your new page, open your notebook, take out your new page, write CW and today's date. Write here CW and today's date. And today's date. Start your writing work with your ma'am. Okay, write neat and clean handwriting. Don't use eraser again and again. Okay, and please say and write. Okay, now start. First we will write the heading. No talking. I draw here black line only. Suppose this is your red line. Right after red line, we will do exercise. Okay. Write the heading. Start from this line. Write here S E E S double E C S double E C. Take one finger distance here. See the T H E. See the picture. Take one finger distance here. Write here P I C T U R E. See the picture. Then hurry up. Again take one finger distance here. See the picture and A N D and circle. Take one finger distance here. C I R C L E. See the picture and circle the correct spelling. First what do? You have to see the picture and circle the correct spelling. Okay. Circle the. If you have no space, go to the next line. Circle the. Write here CORRECT. See the picture and circle the correct. Again take one finger distance here. Write here SPEL, one more L, ING. Don't go out of the line, okay? See the picture and circle the correct spelling, okay? First I make the picture here, then see the correct spelling, okay? And you have to make circle on the spelling. Done? Okay, go to the next line. Hurry up. Go to the next line, write here number 1. Number 1. Okay, now make the picture of pen. How to make pen? Red line to red line, slanting line. One more slanting line. Here, slanting line, big small circle. Turn the line like this. Slipping line. Now tell me which picture is this? This is cat. This is pen. Which picture is this? This is pen. Okay. Take 2 finger distance here. Make slipping line. Now write the spelling of cat. Same, right? Write here CAT. Cat. Done this. Again take 1 finger distance here. Write the spelling of jug. 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 Done. Hurry up. Again take 1 finger distance here. Go to the next spelling. Right here. PEN. Pen. Okay. Now see the picture. Which picture is this? This is pen. Now tell me the spelling of pen. What is the spelling of pen? Say loudly everyone. Yes. PEN. 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 P-A-N. Pen. P-A-N. Pen. Okay. Now make the circle. Done. Hurry up. Now go to the next line. Leave 1 line. Number 2. Number 2. Done. Now make the picture of cat. Make 2 eyes. Make 2 ear. Half cup. Make 2 eyes. Take 2 finger distance. Done. Now write the spelling of 10. Write here T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Done. Take 1 finger distance here. Hurry up. Now write the spelling of cat. Write here C A T, cat. Done. Again take one finger distance here. Write neat and clean. Don't go out of the line. Hurry up. Okay, take one finger distance here. Now write the spelling of bat. B A T, bat. Done. Okay, now see the picture. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is boy, this is girl. Which picture is this? Say loudly. Which picture is this? This is cat. This is cat. Meow. Which picture is this? This is cat. Now tell me, what is the spelling of cat? You know very well what is the spelling of cat? Yes, very good. T-E-N, 10. This is cat? No, this is 10. B-A-T, bat. This is bat. This is cat? No. C-A-T, cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. This is cat? Yes. So make circle. Make circle here. Okay. Done? Very good. Now go to the next line. Leave one line. Here leave one line. Go to the next line. Write number 3. Number 3. Hurry up. Okay, now make the picture of cup. Okay, have to make cup. See, look here. Half cup. Join this line. Standing line. One more standing line. Turn the line. One more half cup like this. Which picture is this? Cup. Do you know cup? Your milk cup. Very good. Which picture is this? Cup. Okay. Take 2 finger distance here. Slipping line. Write the spelling of cup. Write here C U P. Cup. Now next, take 1 finger distance here. Write the next spelling. Right here. T O P, top. This is top. No. Next, write the spelling of bin. B I N, bin. Now look here. Which picture is this? Cup. Which picture is this? Cup. Which picture is this? Cup. See, I will show you. This is cup. See, this is cup. Now tell me, what is the spelling of cup? What is the spelling of cup? Look here, which spelling is this? B-I-N, bin. This is bin. This is bin. No. T-O-P, top. This is top. No. C-U-P, cup. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, make the circle on cup. See this? Make the circle on this spelling. Okay, done. Hurry up. Leave one line. Leave one line. Go to the next line. See, I have no space here. That's why I rub this. Okay? But you will continue this side. Okay, now go to the next line. Write number 4. Okay, write number 4. Number 4. Make the picture of bean. How to make bean? See, half curve like this. Join this line. Standing line. One more standing line. Slanting line like this. Make 2 eyes. Slanting line. Make 1 nose. Lips. Slanting line. Touch the line. Done. Which picture is this? Bin. Which picture is this? Bin. Say loudly. Which picture is this? Bin. Okay, now take 2 finger distance here. Slipping line. Hurry up. Yes. Write the spelling of bag. Write here B A G. Bag. Done. Take 1 finger distance here. Hurry up. Now write the spelling of cap. C A P. Cap. Done. Now write the spelling of bin. Write here B I N. Bin. Now see the picture. Which picture is this? Bin. Which picture is this? Bin. What is the spelling of bin? Now read this. B-A-G. Bag. This is bag? No. C-A-P. Cap. This is cap? No. Now go to the next spelling. B-I-N. Bin. This is bin. This is bin. Yes, this is bin. B-I-N. Bin. What is the spelling of bin? B-I-N. Bin. Now make 1 circle here. Make the circle of the spelling. Done. Leave 1 line. Go to the next line. Number 5. Number 5. Hurry up. Make circle. Slanting line. Make 2 eyes. Hurry up. Take 2 finger distance. Slipping line. Okay, write the spelling of bun. B-U-N. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. Done? Now next, take 1 finger distance. Right here. S-U-N. Sun. Done this? Next, write the spelling of den. D-E-N. Den. Now see the picture. Which picture is this? This is bun. This is den. No. Which picture is this? Sun. What is the spelling of sun? S-U-N. Sun. Say loudly. S-U-N. Sun. Which picture is this? Sun. Okay, now what do? You have to make one circle on the spelling of sun. Done? Hurry up. Go to the next line. Leave one line. Go to the next line. Write here number 6. Hurry up. Make the picture of 10. 1, 0, 10. Write here 10. 1, 0, 10. Done. Take 2 finger distance. Slipping line. Right here. T E N 10. Done. Take 1 finger distance. Right here. P I N pin. Done. N E T net. Okay, now look here. What is this? This is number 10. What is the spelling of 10? N-E-T, net. P-I-N, pin. T-E-N, 10. What is the spelling of 10? This one is T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Now make one circle on numbers 10. Spelling of 10. Done. Go to the next line. Write number 7. Seven number. Done. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Make the picture of ball. Make a big circle. Slanting line. Take 2 finger distance. Stripping line. This is big. This is big. Don't write here ball. Okay? Don't write here ball. Now look here. Write the spelling of bat. B A T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Done. Take 1 finger distance. Write the spelling of big. B-I-G, big. Done. Hurry up. Again take 1 finger distance. Write the spelling of nut. N-U-T, nut. Okay, now see the picture. Which picture is this? This is big. Which picture is this? This is big ball. Okay. Where is ball? The spelling of ball is here? No. The spelling is big is here? Yes. Now see the spelling. B-A-T, bat. This is bat? No. N-U-T, nut. This is nut? No. B-I-G, big. Which picture is this? Big. Which picture is this? Big. Now make circle on this spelling. Done? Good. Take out your new page. Take out your new page. Write down the homework. Go to the next page. Write down the homework. HW, today's date. Write down here same as CW. Done? Hurry up. Okay, now bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.